In this video, we are going to see phrases using just two words. With two words, we can sometimes convey a lot of things, and that's what we are going to see in this 20 phrases. This is part 6 of the 1000 daily phrases, but if you want to learn the regular lessons, you can check them under Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native under YouTube search. The first phrase that we are going to see now is, who do you want to see? Yara paakano. Yara paakano. And I made that A slightly smaller. You can see there, it's just to make sure that you understand the pronunciation. Yara paakano. It is not paakano. Instead it is paakano. Yara paakano. This can be used when you want to make sure who the other person wants to see. Yara paakano. Just imagine someone has come to your home and then you're not sure who they have come to visit. You ask them, who do you want to see? Yara paakano. The next phrase is, avaru illa. He is not available. Which also means he's not here at home or he's not here. Avaru illa. The next one is avanga illa. Avanga is used for in a respectful form for she, if you're talking about an elderly woman, or if you're talking about more than one person plural, it is again avanga. But in some cases, it is also okay to use avanga for men. Say, for instance, if you go to somebody, your professor's house, and his wife shows up and she might say, avanga illa, meaning, my husband is not there. Avanga illa. So it is okay for her to say avaru illa, avanga illa. Both are fine. The next phrase is, it's a very useful phrase. Let it be, no problem. Irukattum, paravailla. Just imagine somebody wants to help you lifting the bag or something, and then you say, oh, no problem, let it be. Irukattum, paravailla, which means I can manage myself. Irukattum. Or let it be there, paravailla, no problem. Let it be, no problem. Irukattum, paravailla. So it can be used for different context. And this is another very common phrase. Oh, is it so? Oh, appadiyaa. Oh, appadiyaa. It's very nice. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. And this can be used in different situations, in different contexts. Imagine you see a nice painting and you say, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. Or somebody serves you a very nice food, you say, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. Also meaning it's very tasty. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. It is very good. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. Thank you very much. ரொம்ப நன்றி. ரொம்ப நன்றி. Thank you very much. ரொம்ப நன்றி. Let me take my leave. போயிட்டு வரேன். போயிட்டு வரேன். And I have explained this phrase in video number 60. It has subtle different meanings. You can watch them, or if it works, you can also click the link above just to take you directly to that video. போயிட்டு வரேன். Let me take my leave. Take care, careful. Take care, careful. It may look like it means the same thing, but it is very commonly used in Tamil. Paathu, baTharo.m. Imagine you are about to fall, you are tripping and you have tripped and you are about to fall, and then people say, oh, careful, paathu, baTharo.m. And you are going on a trip and people say, oh, careful, paathu, baTharo.m. See you later. அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம். அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம். It is me, naa.n. Just imagine you are going to somebody's house and they are asking, who is this? Because they cannot see you, you're on the other side of the door, and you say, it is me, naa.n. naa.n. You don't recognize me? Enna theriyalaya? Enna theriyalaya? Yes, who are you? வாங்க யாருங்க? வாங்க யாருங்க? And here வாங்க means please come. but it also has a meaning like vaanga also means oh yes, it's a kind of acknowledgement. Vaanga யாருங்க, வாங்க யாருங்க. You say oh yeah, who are you? Yes, who are you? வாங்க யாருங்க. Can I come in? உள்ள வரலாமா, உள்ள வரலாமா. Do you want this? இது வேணுமா, இது வேணுமா. It is enough. போதும் போதும். It is told twice. You can hear this very often. Say oh enough enough. போதும் 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 போதும். Could you share your number? நம்பர் தரீங்களா, நம்பர் தரீங்களா. I'll call later. அப்புறம் கூப்பிடுறேன், அப்புறம் கூப்பிடுறேன், அப்புறம் கூப்பிடுறேன். Please come in. உள்ள வாங்க, உள்ள வாங்க, உள்ள வாங்க. All the best with your Tamil learning. வணக்கம், வாழ்த்துக்கள்.